We've all had that moment. You're walking down the street, and suddenly a melody starts playing in your head. It feels perfect, and instantly, you want to turn it into a real song. But then reality kicks in. You're not a trained pianist. You don't know your way around a complicated audio workstation, and you definitely don't have a professional music producer on speed dial. Usually, that's where the story ends. The melody fades, and the idea disappears before it ever becomes anything real. But today, that's changing. I've been testing a platform called Tunee AI, and it has completely shifted my perspective on what AI music can actually be. We are entering the era of AI music agents, and Tunee is not just another platform that spits out audio from a prompt. It actually talks to you, understands your vision, and collaborates with you in a way that feels much closer to working with a real human producer. I've put a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Tunee gives you daily free credits that are generous enough for many generations, so you can actually jump in and start cooking your own tracks for free while you follow along with me. Okay, enough talk. Let's see this agent in action. When you land on the site, the interface looks incredibly clean. On the left sidebar, we have sections for music, video, character, and project, and library for organization. I'll be covering the video and character sections in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that as well. But today, we're focusing entirely on the music agent. Right in the center, we have a prompt box, so here I'm going to type in a request for an upbeat, bouncy song. I want an upbeat, bouncy, catchy pop track about trying to be mysterious but loudly ordering extra cheese. Think summer vibes, high energy, and a real radio-ready feel. I know, it's a ridiculous theme. I'm not even sure it can turn that into a full song, but let's find out. Now, in the settings, you can upload any type of reference file here. Audio files, images, or even videos. Next, we have a fast mode that gives you direct outputs. But for this demo, I want to explore the full conversational workflow of Tunee AI, so I'm going to keep that off. We'll keep the Verify Lyrics toggle on, and here we can also choose the model we want to create the song with. Tunee gives you several hard-hitting models to choose from, including Mureka V8, Minimax 2.5 Plus, and Tempolor. But for this demo, I'm going to leave it on auto and hit Start Cooking. Now watch what happens. Most AI tools would just throw up a loading bar and make you wait. But Tunee's music agent, that little mascot with the headphones, doesn't just move straight into generation. It actually talks back. It has analyzed my request and even picked up on the quirky nature of the idea. And here, it offers me 3 creative directions. The first is bouncy synth pop, a driving beat with neon synth layers. Direction 2 is tropical house infusion with marimba accents. And the third is disco pop revival. I really love this because it explains the why behind the music. It doesn't just generate blindly. It behaves more like a real producer, giving you stylistic options and creative reasoning. For this one, I'm going with the bouncy synth pop direction to move forward. And look at that. Tunee has now crafted a more refined musical prompt for the song, complete with punchy 808 drums and female vocals. Since I kept the Verify Lyrics toggle on, the agent is also showing me the lyrics directly in the chat and asking me to confirm them. They're well structured, and what's nice is that you can edit anything here. You can change words, rewrite lines, or regenerate the lyrics completely if you want. I'm pretty happy with what it gave me, so let's hit Confirm, and now it's generating the final audio. Okay, Tunee has presented us with 2 options. Let's hear this one.
Extra cheese, extra cheese. Blast it out like a symphony. You thought I was quiet, you thought I was shy. Watch me melt every rule with a cheesy high. Extra cheese, yeah, that's all I need. Sunshine sauce dripping with glee. Whispered rumors swirl. Who is she so cool? Then I shout to the chef, double scoop, no fool. My secrets all leak through a mozzarella strain.
Yeah, that sound quality is incredible. And that's because of Tunee's multi-model integration. You're not stuck with just one AI engine. Since we left the music model on default, Tunee analyzed the request and chose the Tempolor 4.5 model to create this song. That means you're essentially getting the best available technology from across multiple systems, all inside a single interface. Now, once we have our perfect mystery cheese anthem, it's time to look at the professional toolkit. If you hover over your favorite song node and click on this magic wand icon, a full set of pro features opens up. First, let's check out Smart Mastering. Here, you're presented with 3 reference guides to choose from. I'm going to go with the Extra guide to tighten up the drums in our song. And just like that, our mastered track is ready. First, let's hear the original track. And now, the mastered version. You can clearly hear the difference. It adds that extra studio depth to the drums and gives the whole track a more polished, high-end feel, like it came out of a professional recording environment. Going back, the next pro feature is a newer one, voice change. Here you can choose a voice from Tunee's massive voice library to replace the vocal on your song, or you can use the voice clone option instead. For this demo, I'm going to upload a voice recording of myself, about 1 minute long. Then we can choose the section we want to use for cloning. And here we are. Now we have a new voice sample cloned from my own voice. I'm going to select that and hit Switch Voice. In the chat, we can see that the voice change is being processed and done. Let's hear it.
Sunrise sings on at noon. Then sealed like a vault, I glide through the door, like I've got something to hold. But the menu's too plain, and my heart starts to bleed.
That's me, and it sounds incredible. Now, it wasn't completely flawless, especially in the intro, but once it gets into the verse, it really sounds like my voice. Honestly, it sounds better than I could ever sing it myself. This voice cloning feature is a complete game changer. Okay, but the real MVP here is stem splitting. With one click, Tunee separates the song into individual high-quality files. You get 2 modes, standard and quality, with the option to split the song into 8 individual stems. You're getting everything from wet and dry vocals to separate tracks for the guitar, drums, bass, and even the piano. If you're making any kind of custom content, this is gold. You could pull out just the drum loop for a transition, then bring the full song in later. You could isolate vocals, rebalance the arrangement, or repurpose different elements of the track for completely different edits. That gives you real creative control over every layer of the sound. And before you ask, yes, this is built to be safe for real-world use. When you create a track on a paid Tunee subscription, you can click the 3 dots on your song and download the copyright certificate right away. That means you can distribute your songs on Spotify, use them in monetized YouTube videos, or even license them out without running into the kind of legal uncertainty that often comes up with AI tools. But one of the things I love most is how accessible they've made the platform. You can log in every single day and cook new tracks using daily free credits without spending anything. It's enough to generate multiple songs, which feels very generous compared to a lot of other AI music tools out there. So even if you're just experimenting, it gives you a real chance to test ideas and see how far your imagination can go before committing to anything. And that's really the bigger story here. Tunee AI is removing the technical barriers between a random idea in your head and a polished, radio-ready song. Whether you're a serious musician, a content creator, or just someone trying to make an anthem about loudly ordering extra cheese, this AI music agent could end up being your new favorite creative collaborator. You can check out Tunee AI from the link in the description, claim your daily free credits, and start cooking your first track today. And stay tuned for the next video, because we're going to dive into Tunee's AI music video tools and see how you can start building visuals for the songs you create. And hey, if you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that subscribe button for more. Happy creating!